Why don't you want to use your full ring? That's better. Now that was just, I think she's seen the purple crop in her peripheral vision. But that's a very nice reaction. As long as she keeps moving, we're happy. If it's walk, we don't care. That's all right. I try to stay on the grass because the mud's a bit slippier. That's right. You know she's going to want to stop there. You got it. See, that looks really comfortable to me.
No, it is.
But you have to teach them to go forward till you can enjoy that. That's good girl. That's right, she's not sensitive. She just doesn't know what we want out of her, but see how fast she's picked it up? Okay, I trot around in a circle. I got it. And that's fantastic work for your thighs.
Yeah.
You'll be stiff tomorrow, because that's a wide saddle and a wide horse.
Bigger horse sometimes because you're not afraid to like squeeze or...
That's right, they're not as sensitive.
Yeah.
Don't come into me though. You get out there and work. You've been eating for a couple of months, doing nothing. So can't you see you're hitched up with another one trotting along together?
Yeah.
And they just trot along forever and ever when they have this nice nature.
Yeah.
And it's spring, we have a storm coming in. She's a beauty. See how they want to stop at the gate? They learn that really quick. Good girl.